How to get Facebook access token. So a Meta API tutorial. What you're gonna have to do is go to your preferred browser and search for Meta Developer and just go ahead and enter. Go to get started over here and just go ahead and complete a registration. So you're gonna need a developer's account. What you're gonna have to do now is just get yourself an app. So just press on create app over here and follow up with the process. Go ahead and choose the app type as well. But once you have pretty much created your app, you can directly see its own dashboard. So add products, whatever, you can see the basic app settings as well, which you can go ahead and just take a look for yourself. What you're gonna have to do now is just go ahead to your tools and press on Graph API Explorer. Once you do that, you should be able to directly see your access token over here. So please select at least one permission or configuration first though. So just go ahead and put that over here. Let's say commerce permission and then this one, but we already have two. So once you have added a permission, you can just press on generate access token. So you're gonna have to log into your account as well before you do this. So just go ahead and process with the login. So make sure you've logged into your actual account. But once you've done that, you will be able to get an access token over here. You can press on copy token if you want. So that's pretty much how you get your access token though in Facebook. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.